when we close the switch, the electrons flow from negative side to positive side and a current is produced in the circuit. This current, known as charging current, will flow and develops a voltage across the capacitor. This voltage developed is not developed instantaneously, but it takes some amount of time, and that time is known as the time constant or charging time, which is calculated by the formula of R. R is the resistor in the circuit and C is the capacitance of the circuit. Okay, so when switch is short circuited, we get if we write the equation, we get V. It's the battery potential equals to battery potential across the resistance R plus the potential across the capacitor, which is 1 by C, and the sum of the current on the plates. Okay, so I dt. If we now take the Laplace transform to solve this integration, okay, so we get V by S. Since it is a constant voltage source, we get V by S and R Is plus Is divided by C into S. Now if we solve this Laplace transform, we will get Is equals to V divided by R into S plus 1 by Rs. If we now take its inverse Laplace transform, we get It, which is the current that is dependent upon time, current which is the function of time, is equals to current, the input current, times E, which is the Euler's number, to the power minus of T divided by RC. That this 1 divided by RC is also known as the time constant. Okay, the RC is the time constant, which is symbolized by the symbol tau. The symbol is known as tau. Now if we are going to calculate T, if we take T equals to 0, so current when the switch is closed is equals to I. Okay, when the T is equals to 1 time constant, okay, RC, we get I times 36.8, 0.368, and if we increase the time constant by 2, 3, multiply, okay, we get different values of current corresponding to that. Now these value when plotted, this left axis denotes our capacitor current, and when the switch is closed it is at maximum value, and as the time is passed, the charging current is decreasing, exponentially decreasing, and simultaneously the potential across the battery capacitor plates are increasing. So this is increasing the battery potential, and when the capacitor potential is at maximum, the current across the circuit is dropped. So that's why we also say that when the voltage is increased, the current is decreased. So, and at 1 tau it reaches 36.8% of the value of the original current. So 1 tau, and at 3 time constant and at 5 time and after 5 time constant and beyond, we said that the charging current has reached its steady state condition. Okay,